This fragrance opens with a sparkling effervescent burst of aldehydes, combined with the exotic floral sweetness of ylang ylang, fresh neroli, zesty bergamot, and juicy peach, creating a vibrant and uplifting introduction. The heart unfolds into a rich, elegant bouquet of iris, jasmine, rose, and lily of the valley, offering a sophisticated and lush floral experience. As it dries down, the base reveals a warm and creamy blend of sandalwood and vanilla, enriched by the earthy complexity of oakmoss, patchouli, and vetiver, providing a deep, sensual, and enduring finish. The fragrance seamlessly transitions from a fresh and fruity start to a luxurious floral heart and a warm, earthy base, embodying both elegance and depth. Performance elements. Longevity. The combination of rich base notes like sandalwood, vanilla, oakmoss, and patchouli typically ensures good longevity, often lasting throughout the day or even longer with a single application. Sillage. The prominent top notes of aldehydes, ylang ylang, and bergamot, along with the rich base notes, contribute to a noticeable sillage. This fragrance leaves a discernible trail without being overly overpowering. Season. The fresh and fruity top notes combined with the warm and creamy base make this fragrance versatile for both spring and autumn. The floral heart adds elegance suitable for these transitional seasons. Occasion. This fragrance is appropriate for a range of occasions from everyday wear to special events. Its sophisticated blend of floral and woody notes makes it suitable for both formal and casual settings. Type. With a rich mix of floral and woody notes, this fragrance falls into the floral woody category, offering a sophisticated and balanced scent profile. Style. Elegant and modern. The combination of aldehydes, ylang ylang, and the rich base notes creates an elegant and contemporary fragrance, suitable for those who appreciate a classic yet modern scent. Mood. Confident and refined. The blend of fresh floral and woody notes gives off an aura of confidence and refinement, making it ideal for those who want to leave a memorable impression. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.